was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, we're going to talk about a serious problem with the Ninja 400. These mirrors. Let me just tell you, they are just so long, out of the world. And you know what? The looks of it is just not good. They just don't look good. They look like antennas. Nobody likes them. So I decided, let's change that with shorter mirrors. Oh, I wonder who that could be.
Alright, you got a special delivery for Ashley?
Yes. You know what? It's my mirrors. They came in just in time. Bye. Yeah, we don't want to see him anymore. So now that we got them, let's go ahead and open them up. Oh yeah. And let me just show you the side by side. Compared to the old ones, that's like maybe a 2-3 inches different. It's gonna improve so much. So let's go ahead and start on this side. If you've seen my video for the zero gravity double bubble windscreen, you already know that we only need one tool in particular. Just the 4mm hex screw. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So now line them up, just like what we did with the other videos. Just gonna unscrew this bad boy. Okay. You could just see the difference between these two. This one's so much taller than this one. With this one, hello? I could pick up alien life forms out there. Just kidding, but we are gonna definitely replace them. So with this one, we do wanna grab our 2 screws. We're gonna place them right in here, no holes. And then we just wanna make sure that we get it all lined up already. Once that it's somewhat in place, we can get our hex key and we will start tightening them down. Oh wow, that makes a huge change. Okay, we got one side done. Now let's repeat the same side on the other side.
24 hours later.
Okay, so now that we changed them, we just want to screw these bad boys back in. And we're all set for this. I am gonna post a before and after photo so that you can see the comparison. Fun facts for you guys. These mirrors are from the Ninja 300, straight from the manufacturer. If you do like what we did, you can go ahead and go from eBay or Amazon. Go ahead and get them. They're about $20 to $30-ish. And then just follow the steps that we did in our video. So tell me what you think about the mirrors down below in the comments. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and the likes and also subscribe. We'll see you next week for more videos. Bye.
Holy shit.